The phenomenon of enforced disappearance is one of Mexico's most pressing human rights crises today. From the government repression of activists in the 1960s and 70s to the war on drugs in the 2000s, enforced disappearance has become a common method of terror. As of 2021, human rights activists estimate that more than 80,000 people are disappeared and thousands more unidentified bodies await forensic analysis. My name is Viviana MacManus, and I specialize in Latin American feminist literature and cultural studies. In my research, I assess the importance of feminist storytelling and activism as a form of resistance to human rights violations in the Americas. Currently, I am researching the rise of mother led collectives that have organized in response to the disappearance crisis caused by the cartels and Mexican state agents. Due to the apathy and inaction of the Mexican, the US, and Central American governments, these mother led collectives have spearheaded searches and exhumations of mass graves in the search for their missing loved ones. My research entails interviewing these buscadoras or members of these mother led collectives and also examines cultural productions such as literature and film that document this important and timely human rights issue. These mother led groups, alongside journalists, filmmakers, and activists, have gained international recognition by challenging the impunity of the Mexican state and organized crime. They have located over 120 disappeared people and have organized demonstrations, art installations, and other public acts that bring awareness to this important human rights issue. My research shows the importance of women's activism as a form of resistance to state power and importantly holds states accountable for human rights crimes.